Hi everyone. So this just came out. Um, it's not a huge update, but what time is it? It's 1:25 a.m. in the morning. Um, and they took away. I'm gonna start posting my daily videos again. I miss posting for you guys. I really do. So they took away the New Year's realm, and they added this little Valentine's update coming soon log. Oh, so it just says that. So Valentine's update coming soon. And it says, end of January, beginning of February. Also still working on the new school, LOL. It's turning out amazing. Thank you for undying patience and support. I love you. So that's really all I have to say. But I love you guys so much. I cannot wait to start posting daily again. Goodbye.